take me to jail, goddammit. You got me, right?
Again, like I said, the odor of an alcoholic beverage, the admission to drinking prior to getting in the vehicle, your bloodshot glossy eyes, and your speech. Stop. Stop. What is the matter with you?
You all got me.
Good, now you're getting charged with battery on an LEO as well.
On February 3rd, Flagler County deputies assisted with a DUI investigation in Bunnell, Florida, after a 56-year-old man was stopped for making an illegal U-turn. The driver admitted he had been drinking before the stop and showed signs of impairment during the investigation. As officers attempted to take him into custody, he became combative and resisted, leading to a struggle that left 2 Flagler County deputies with abrasions and gashes. Authorities also said a half-full beer was found inside the driver's vehicle.
Hello. Richard? Hi, Richard. I'm Deputy Blake, the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. Would you mind just keeping your hands on the wheel, please? Thank you very much. People are crazy nowadays. You never know how, people feel. Do you have a copy of your insurance by chance?
Pretty sure I gave it to him.
No, you gave him the registration. The insurance is a different document.
Probably would have to look for it pretty hard.
Okay. Do you think maybe you can try? I mean, neither of us are really big ticket writers, but just so you're aware, not having a copy of the insurance is a $116 fine. So do you want to try to look for it? Do you know who your insurance provider is? State Farm? Okay. If you can find a copy, that'd be great. Do you want to give it a shot?
Sure.
There you go. See, that wasn't too hard, was it? You got a bunch of them here, so I believe that one's expired. We'll start with that one.
They're all going to be expired.
They all are?
One's probably going to be on the counter in our house.
In the counter in your house? Okay, do you live around here? You do? I'm sorry, I can barely hear you with all the traffic coming by. Where's that back for you? I mean, do you think there is going to be a current one in there?
Oh, current. I don't buy insurance.
Well, the card itself would be expired just because,
Well, you can look it up with the money.
I'm sorry?
You can look it up with the money.
Okay, I mean, I'm just trying to help you out and tell you that you got to have a current copy, I mean, we're not going to write you a ticket for it. Why are you yelling at me? I'm standing right here.
Not.
You're getting a little raised, man. Okay. Okay. Here, you can take this one back because this one isn't. We'll start there, okay? And you take the ones that aren't. Okay, this one isn't either. Neither is this one. This one's 2017. Neither is that one. That's 2016. They just keep getting older.
Yeah, we're going back.
2016. Okay. Like I said, I mean, neither of us are really going to write you a ticket for that, but it's just making you aware that you got to have a copy of it, okay? So when you do get home, just make sure you have a copy of it. All right? He's just getting your paperwork together and whatnot. Okay. Well, I'll see how Officer Corey's doing on your paperwork and whatnot, okay? Slurred speech, bloodshot, glossy eyes. I don't want to say argumentative, but not very happy with my presence whatsoever.
Right.
I mean, it's kind of entirely up to you if you want to run him through or whatever. I mean,
You're the DUI one. I mean, if you want to run them through, I mean, it's all yours.
what driving patterns do you have? Just the illegal U-turn?
Yeah, it was literally just an illegal U-turn. That was my traffic stop.
And he didn't tell me where he was living from.
Yeah, he told me the bar. So I was like, 1405. Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't see him pulling out of 1405.
I get a slight odor.
Okay.
I mean, I can ask him out and see if he'd be willing, but I mean, without doing fields, I would recommend him getting a ride. And he seems slightly argumentative, like he might not. So I mean, we can try, but if he was more forthcoming with you about the bar and everything, maybe it'd be better if you asked him, because he was not very happy with my presence at all.
Okay.
So, and then I can run him through the rest of it. But that's up to you.
I mean,
if you want to ask him out, because like I said, he doesn't seem very happy with me.
Okay.
And he keeps facing away and not really speaking very loudly at all.
Mm.
So, but what I can hear is definitely slurred.
Yeah, I just can't tell if it's because of a possible impairment or if that's just him.
Yeah.
That's the thing with
And I was mistaken. That Jeep did look familiar, but it wasn't. I don't believe it was the same guy.
Not the same.
No. So.
Well, do you want to start by asking him if he's willing to do anything?
He seemed more forthcoming with you. Do you want to ask him and I'll do the rest?
Yeah.
He seemed more open with you.
No, he doesn't want to get out of the car.
He does have what looks like a holster. I could only see the bottom half of it. It did look like a holster on his right-hand side. His arm was by his right-hand side when I walked up to the car initially.
Okay.
But passenger side now I can see what looks like a holster.
Okay. Did you see a firearm?
I did not. His jacket was covering it, but it looked like the bottom half of the holster. Just so you're aware.
Okay. What he said to me was, I asked him if he 10-4. What he said to me was, I asked him, I said, I know you came out of the 1405. I said, well, how much did you have to drink? He said, I had 4 beers. I said, are you willing to perform any field sobriety? He said, no, I refuse. I said, okay, is there a particular reason for it? He said, no, you got me. I was drinking.
Well, here's the thing, that alone, I mean, he has an admission of drinking. I observed his slurred speech, bloodshot, glossy eyes, and a slight odor of alcohol. Mm-hmm. And refusal to submit to the field sobriety exercises is not a crime, but I have to make him aware. Let me talk. Can you roll this window down, please? Oh, you got the hand crank windows? This thing's old, man. All right. So, I mean, I'm sure Officer Corey explained a little bit. Maybe he might be a little concerned with, the U-turn with your bloodshot, glossy eyes. Your eyes are a little watery. You did say you had a few beers at the bar. He said you had four beers? Okay. Now it's just a matter of making sure you're safe to drive. And if you are willing to do the exercises, again, those parts are optional. However, I just want to make you aware we'd have to go based on what we see if you were not to perform the exercises. So that, again, is a decision you can make. But I'm just telling you what we see and what determination we would have to make in that situation. You know what I mean? So, again, it's optional. I'm not forcing you to do them, but I'm just explaining it to you and being forthcoming. I'm a very blunt person, I'll be honest with you. I do smell the odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from the vehicle. At this point, like I said, if you don't want to perform the exercises, again, they're optional. It's entirely up to you. However, I'm not comfortable in this point just letting you drive off. Okay. Did you want to perform them? Again, it's entirely optional. Where are you going?
Out of the side of the road.
Okay,
over
okay,
here to where it's safe.
Okay.
I'm getting you out of the road, you out of the road. I'm trying to be safe to everybody here.
Well, tell me that first before you walk off. That's all I'm saying. I don't know if you're walking off to leave. You know what I mean? That's all. Yeah. We can go to the sidewalk. It's safer for everybody. That way there's no road.
All right.
Look, right
Where's
here.
the sidewalk?
Did you say you want to do them?
Got no choice, do I?
I said you did. But I was just explaining the options if that weren't what you were willing to do. That's all.
What was my options if I wasn't willing to do it?
Well, like I said, we'd have to go based off of what we already have. Which, again, like I said, the odor of an alcoholic beverage, the admission to drinking prior to getting in the vehicle, your bloodshot, glossy eyes, and your speech. So, again, you have the option, but I'm just explaining to you.
What are we doing here?
You're willing to do them?
What are we doing?
What? Are you willing to do them? I can explain it to you. So what I would do is I would check your eyes, you'd walk down a line, stand on one leg. That's all there is to it.
Stand on one leg is going to be hard because I got bad knees. But
okay, we can modify them too.
Right.
Okay? I'm going to turn off the flashing lights so you don't have things flashing in your eyes, okay? Just hang out here. So, I'm going to explain everything to you and I'm going to demonstrate everything, okay?
All right.
Any questions so far? Fantastic. Do you have diabetes?
Not sure.
Not sure. Were you ever diagnosed with diabetes? I'll rephrase it. Okay. Do you have any TBIs? Traumatic brain injuries?
Lots of them.
Lots of them? Okay.
I played football.
You played football? You played football? Did you play for anyone like famous or no?
No.
No? Okay.
I forgot a quarter and a half of football though. I got knocked out and I played full time.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Do your brain injuries affect you daily basis? Do you take any medications for them? Anything?
No.
Okay. All right. What I'm just going to have you do is stand with your toes touching, heels touching, hands down by your side. Do you mind if I take your hat off? I can just sit it right over here.
Why?
Just so I can see your eyes a little bit better. Would you mind? You can flip it backwards.
I'll flip it backwards.
Yeah, that's fine. You can flip it backwards.
I don't want to lose my hat.
That's okay. You're not going to lose your hat. I wouldn't steal your hat. Listen, cowboy hats are nothing for me. I can't do that kind of hat. What I want you to do is I just want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only, and I don't want you to move your head, okay? I want you to try to keep your eyes as open as you can. Any questions so far?
Right.
No questions so far?
No question.
Okay. Just follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. You still follow it? You're looking at me.
I can see it. It's right there between you and I. It's going out a little left. I still see it.
Okay.
When I was a football player, they worked on a peripheral vision. I could
Okay.
see that thing
So-
clearly.
So this is more just focusing with the front of your eyes. So if you're just looking at it and
I
following it
never
with your full
not
eyes.
could see it.
Okay, but what I'm saying is following it with your eyes completely, not just peripherals, okay? What I want you to do is just follow it with your eyes. Can we do that?
Sounds like you're trying to trap me on that.
I'm not. I'm just asking you to follow it with your eyes.
I've
Instead of looking at
never
me.
once took it off my eyes.
I'm standing right here. I can hear you just fine.
All right.
All right, you don't have to raise your voice.
All
Okay?
right.
You wanna try again?
Try again what? I've never not could see it.
Okay.
All
I
right.
want you to just follow it with your eyes, okay?
All right.
You see it?
I see it.
Okay.
I still see it.
There you go.
I
Now you're
still
doing
see
it.
it.
You're doing great. Just the way you're doing now.
Well, you're blinding me with this light right here.
I have the most of the light towards your chest, so I
No,
can
it's
just
right
see
square in my damn eyes.
All I want you to do is open your eyes and follow it. Can you see the red light?
I can see the red light, and I'm
Okay.
being blinded by your flashlight right in
You want me
my
to
eyes
move it
at
a
the
little
same
bit?
time.
There we go. Let's
And
move it up
now
a
I'm
little
being
bit.
blinded even more, and it's right down by your chest.
Well, I have to see as well, sir. I'm trying not to get the direct light in your eyes, okay? It's just a floodlight.
Alright.
Okay? Just follow it with your eyes.
Finding a white caddy versus another vehicle. All parties appear to be out of their vehicles at this time.
Okay, follow it with your eyes.
Yeah, other than the fact you're blinding me with your flashlight, yes.
Okay, I have barely any of the flashlight on your face. I'm trying my best, but I also need to
Trust
see.
me on this, it's a piece of crap method you're going with.
Method?
You're blinding me with your eyes, with your flashlight and
I only have the floodlight around you. That's
Alright.
all I have, okay?
floodlight. Your flashlight
just
blinding
around.
me on my ass. All right, go ahead.
Okay. Remember with your toes touching, heels touching, the same way I showed you, okay, the whole time. Okay. What I can do is get you a line of duct tape, so that way you have a reference, okay? I'm just going to put some duct tape. You got it, Corey? That way it's more of a fair shot. No, you don't got to start yet. We're not starting anything. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Practicing?
You're practicing?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, as long as you ain't running off, I mean, you want to practice, you can practice. But I didn't tell you to start anything. You just
guys
grabbing
got
some...
me. What the f*** are you all f***ing around for? Just take me to jail, goddammit. You got me, right?
I'm sorry?
You already got me.
Well, there's a reason. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Go to jail.
Where are you
Put
going?
me in jail.
Come on, where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you...
In jail. Y'all
You didn't
got
want to
me.
finish
So
them?
if you refuse to do any further tests,
Alright,
then
come
you,
on,
then
man.
you're under arrest.
Let's go. Hey, stop. What are you doing? No, I'm just telling you to stop. Stop. What's the matter with you? Stop.
Stop resisting. Just put your hands behind your back.
You're a little bitch.
Can you stop, please? Stop. What is the matter with you?
Y'all got me.
Good. Now you're getting
Then
charged
calm
with battery
down.
on an LEO as well.
Get on your stomach.
That's right.
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
To the other side.
Stop. Stop it.
If you don't stop resisting, you're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back.
Get that one. I got this one.
I always wanted to be tased.
Stop.
Yeah, you're about to get tased. If you
Stop.
don't put your hands behind your back.
Stop. We're with 14, we got him secured. Air channel.
Copy, secure into the channel.
Alright, he's going to my car. He's not gonna cooperate at all when we try to get in the car.
All right, well, we'll get him in there.
Got your car unlocked.
Yeah, let me make sure.
Get it unlocked.
You do that, I
first.
got him.
Sorry, just get it unlocked.
Just roll up.
Thank you.
Yep. Come on, man.
2 seconds ago is you got me, just take me to jail. Then you started to fight. Why?
Who wants to go in handcuffs? You ever been handcuffed, mother?
Well, you got to know one way or another you're going to go in handcuffs. Better go the easier way. But you picked the hard way, so.
All
Put your knees up so you can stand up,
And
okay?
Inward.
Bring this one up. Bring it up.
Oh, towards me. There you go. Bring that knee.
Do this. Do this. Bring your knee in. You kick me one more time, you're going to get more charges. And your day's going to be even worse. You hear me? I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to help you up. You kick me again, there's going to be a problem. You understand? Let's be cordial and let's stand up, okay? Please. All right?
Go for 314.
I'm not going to charge you with that. If you do it again, you're going to get charged. Understand? Let's be cordial. Let's be an adult. Let's stand up.
You're a
Well, that's fine. You can call me whatever you want, sir. I've heard words.
God damn it. I don't need nobody talking getting up. Mother.
Well, you do.
Mother.
The man was arrested and charged with DUI, resisting an officer with violence, 3 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, and refusing to submit to a breath test. He was booked into the Flagler County Jail and later released after posting $14,000 bond. Authorities also noted the man has previous arrests in Florida and Maryland. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.